In many villages across India, separating rice from husk is exhausting work. Dust fills the air, farmers spend hours cleaning grain, and expensive industrial machines are simply out of reach for many rural families. But in a small village in Assam, two brothers decided they would not wait for someone else to solve the problem. This is the story of Napul Bipul and Bipul Bipul, two grassroots innovators who turned bamboo into engineering. The brothers were not famous scientists, they were farmers and daily wage workers, but they had one powerful habit. Whenever they saw a problem, they started experimenting. After buying a rice husking machine, they noticed something frustrating. The machine could remove the husk, but separating the lightweight husk from the rice grain properly was still difficult and time-consuming. Most people would accept it as normal, but Napul and Bipul thought differently. Instead of buying expensive equipment, they began building their own solution using local materials, especially bamboo. And what they created was surprisingly smart. Traditional fans normally use a single layer of blades, but the brothers designed a special double-layer bamboo fan system mounted on the same shaft. When it rotated, it produced a much stronger and more controlled airflow. That airflow helped separate rice grains from husk far more efficiently. Simple idea, massive impact. The machine made grain cleaning easier for farmers while using affordable materials available in rural Assam itself. And perhaps the most beautiful part of the story is this: their innovation did not come from a laboratory, it came from observation, necessity, and hands-on experience. The brothers became known in their village for constantly building useful machines and modifying everyday tools. People even started calling them Vishwakarma, after the legendary divine engineer. Their work was later recognized by the National Innovation Foundation during the National Grassroots Innovation Awards. Today, their story reminds us of something important. Innovation is not always about complicated technology. Sometimes it is simply about understanding a local problem deeply enough to build a local solution. And in one village in Assam, two brothers proved that even bamboo can become engineering.